back. Let's discuss about communication skills. So why they are important and what are the benefits. When you're effective in communication, what will happen that you will collaborate with other people. You will do global projects, and you will move fast when your communication skills are very important. Like they are very important. Communication skills are thinking skills. Like when you communicate properly, you're clear, you're simple, you're logical, you use critical thinking, you're effectively right, you communicate properly. So these are thinking skills. So that's why they are super skills. Super skills they are. Communication skills. It is a super skill. So communication skills are writing skills. When you write a blog or a post or a book, so it is a writing skill. Communication skills are important in writing, because like when you write emails, blog posts, books, anything, you speak to your friend, you call, you have conversation with your relationship, family members, friends, anyone. So when you're effective, when you're clear, things are clear and things get done, your project will be completed. Communication skills are design skills. Like when you communicate properly, you will get your design done. You will give the details of it, and then the other person will get it done. You can design things when you communicate properly. When you are a project manager or you have a team, so you communicate properly. What will happen that these are design skills also. Like communication skills are very creative skills. Like you when you write on a post or book or anything, so you being creative, solving problem, communicating that idea. So this is how you will be creative. When you write a book, it is a creative skill also. Then communication skills are technology skills also. Like when you give details to a coder, he will design a technology, new software, or architect, he will design it properly, and he will, like, you give him details, he will design it properly. So engineer will design a product for you properly when you give details. So it is a technology skill also. Communication skills are emotional skills also. Like you speak your feeling, your thinking, your actual inhibitions, whatever you feel, you can communicate. It makes an emotional skill also. It is a leadership skill, which is so crucial skill. So you can't be a leader unless you communicate effectively. So it is also a leadership skill. So that's why it is a super skill. If you are effective in communication, you will get 10x results, from 1x to 10x. So what are the benefits of communication skill? You will build trust, preventing or solving problems. You will solve problems, provide clarity and direction, create better relationships. You will increase engagements, improve productivity, promote team building. So many benefits are there. You just go and do research on communication and how you can create new ways to be creative, learning this skill, and how you can communicate effectively with body language, gesture comprehension, whatever. Go and apply from today, and write down the changes which you've been through, the research which you do, and the benefits you will get in the comment section. Also rate us at Trustpilot, and give a 5-star review, and thank you so much. We'll go to the next section, which is emotional intelligence. So we'll learn about emotional intelligence. Thank you so much.